Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the patterns of vehicle motion clue in iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then go to accessibility. There you will find motions. Click on that and then go to vehicle motions clue. In this you will see this customizing appearance. Once you click on that, you will see on the top pattern. Once you click on that, you will get these two option over here. Once you click on this on the top regular option, it's gonna be change your pattern place over here or like that. Or once you click on dynamic, you can change all their size or like that place over here. So that's it. That's how you can customize vehicle motion clue pattern. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.